I think the fact that the President of the United States now gets special access to a drug that is otherwise only available to a very limited number of Americans through a randomized clinical trial is also somewhat disturbing.
Dr. Therese Hammond has been concerned about President Trump's handling of the coronavirus outbreak from the beginning. She was especially stunned after learning the White House confirmed the president received an experimental drug aimed at fighting COVID-19 before he was flown to Walter Reed Medical Center. The antibody cocktail is at the center of a clinical trial studied in part by Dr. Hammond's team at Providence St. John's Health Center in Santa Monica. She says the drug has shown early signs of success, but there are still a lot of unknowns as to its effectiveness in treating the coronavirus.
Part of what makes it special is that it sort of slows down the process that the virus can overwhelm the immune system, while the immune system has a chance to sort of rev up by itself.
So far, the drug has been tested in about 275 people. The CEO of Regeneron, the company behind it, told CNN Friday the antibody cocktail has shown to reduce virus symptoms and that given the president's age and risk factor, it made sense to share the drug on an individual basis.
What our antibodies do is we make it a fairer fight. He's in a higher risk group for a variety of reasons, such as he's being older. And if we give our antibodies, we hope that we will give his immune system enough of a boost so that he can win this and make a complete recovery.
The pharmaceutical company provided the cocktail to the president in what's called a compassionate use request from his doctors, since it hasn't been FDA approved for emergency use. Companies can give access to their drugs if all other options have failed and the person's health is at a great risk. Hammond says she believes the president's health may be more serious than we know.
I think that sort of speaks to the fact that with his risk factors, they're concerned that he may develop and evolve very severe illness very quickly.
Doctors treated 9 patients here at Providence St. John's as part of the study. Hammond says that more volunteers are vital in proving the drug's safety. In Santa Monica, Kandiss Crone, KCAL 9 News.